Hello everyone, this is Sogan. Welcome to Sogan's Crochet. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make a double crochet. So let's see. So I had started with a slip knot and I have put 20 chain stitch. Now for the double crochet, I'm going to skip the first 3 chain stitches from the hook. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert your hook into the 4th chain stitch. First, yarn over, insert your hook into the 4th chain stitch from the hook, pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over again, pull through the last 2 loops. So here is your double crochet. I'm going to make a next double crochet. Yarn over first, insert your hook, pull up a loop. You will have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over again, pull through the last 2 loops. So here is my next double crochet. Try to make all this double crochet with the same height. I'm going to make 1 full row of double crochet. Keep going. This is my last chain stitch. I'll make my last double crochet. Finish row 1, 3 chain. Turn your work. I'll make my double crochet. Complete this row and meet me. I finished my row 2. I'm going to count my double crochet in row 2. This is my 3 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 double crochet. You must have same amount of double crochet with the first row. We had skipped 3 chain stitch in the very beginning, so we have 17 double crochet in each row. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell.